Hi and welcome to Samarth Academy. Today we will be doing the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Last videos you have seen exercise 5.1, 5.2 which was based on the concept of nth term. Here we will learn a new concept today, that is sum of first n terms of AP. If I consider an AP whose terms are A1, A2, A3 and so on up to n, these are the first n terms of an AP. If I take sum of that, then that becomes sum of first n terms of an AP and it is represented as Sn. Derivation of this is not required. We can learn that in 11th grade. Only formula is fine. So Sn is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Sometimes the last term is written as L. Then we will write n by 2 a plus L. If I replace the value of an, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, then Sn becomes Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So whenever you know the last term, use this formula, and whenever you are not given with the last term, use this formula. These are the formulas for finding the sum of first n terms of an AP. Let's go for exercise 5.3. Find the sum of the following APs. Here let's write what is given. The first term is A equal to 2. Common difference is second term minus first term, that is 5, and n is equal to 10. So we have to find the sum up to 10 terms. So S10 is equal to question mark. We will use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, as the last term is not given. So what happens? S10 will be 10 by 2 2a, that is 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 9 into d is 5. So this becomes 5 into 4 plus 45, 5 into 49, which is 445. This is the sum of given 10 terms of this AP. Question 2. A equal to minus 37. D is second term minus first term. That is minus of minus 37. It becomes minus 33 plus 37, which is equal to plus 4. Your common difference D is plus 4. A is minus 37 and the number of terms are 12. We will use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. For all these questions, we will be using the same formula as the nth term is not given. So this becomes S12 equal to 12 by 2, 2a, that is 2 into minus 37 plus 11 into d is 4. This we will cancel. 2 ones are 6 are. So 6 into 37 into 2 is 74. So it is minus 74 plus 44. So 6 into minus 30, answer will be minus 180. Sum of given 12 terms is minus 180. Question 3. A equal to 0.6. D is 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1, and here n is equal to 100. So using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, we get 100 by 2, 2 into 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 is 99 into d is 1.1. So this becomes t into 1.2 plus 108.9. On adding, we get 50 into 110.1. Multiply this by 50. 5505 is the sum of given 100 terms. Let's go for next. Question 4. A is equal to 1 by 15. D is equal to second term minus first term. Here the LCM is 60. So 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60. So the same we multiply here the numerators by 5 and 4. So this becomes 5 minus 4. Hence our D is 1 by 60. So n equal to 11 using the formula Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. What we will get? S11 equal to 11 by 2 2 into a, that is 1 by 15, plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 1 by 60, 10 into d. So this 0 get cancels. So this becomes 11 by 2, 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. LCM of 15 and 6 is 30. So this is into 2 into 5 and into 5. So this becomes 11 by 2 into 2 2s are 4 plus 5, that is 9 by 30. Cancel the common terms, 3s are 10s are, hence the answer is 33 by 20. This is sum of the given 11 terms. So we completed the question main 1 and we are starting with question 2. Here he is asking to find the sum of the given below. We can see that nth term is given. For this main, we will be using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an as the last term is given. But here we don't know what is the number of terms. So we have to find the number of terms using the value of an. So first let me write what is given. A equal to 7. D is equal to second term minus the first term, which is 3.5. I can also write it as 3.5. Now an is 84. We will figure out what is n with the help of an. A plus n minus 1 into d equal to 84. So put the values of a and d over here. A is 7 plus n minus 1 into d is 3.5 equal to 8. And 3.5 that side, multiplication becomes division. It becomes 77 by 3.5. So 3.5 ones are, this is 22s are. How did we do that? We know that 3.5 into 2 is 7. So using that, I can write here 22. So n equal to 22 plus 1, that is 23. Number of terms we got. Now we will find Sn. So what is Sn? S number of terms are 23. So S23 equal to 23 by 2 first term plus last term. 23 by 2, 7 plus 84 is 91. So multiply this. What is 23 into 91? That is 2093 by 2. You can also convert this into mixed fraction. This becomes 1046 and a half. So this is the answer. Find the sum of the given terms whose first term is 34. Second term is 32. So D will be 32 minus 34, which is equal to minus 2. And the last term an is 10. We don't know the number of terms, so we need to figure out what is n. So we'll write a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 10. Put the value of a, that is 34, plus n minus 1 into d is minus 2. This equal to 10. Send 34 that side. N minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 34, that is minus 24. Now minus 2 goes that side, or we multiply both sides by minus 2. It becomes minus 24 by minus 2. Minus and minus get cancelled. 2 ones are 12s are. So n equal to 12 plus 1, that is 30. Of the given terms, a equal to minus 5, d is equal to second term minus first term. So this becomes minus 3, and here an, the last term, is minus 230. With the help of this, we will find out what is the number of terms, that is n. A plus n minus 1 into d equal to minus 230. Put the values of a and d. Minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d, that is minus 3, equal to minus 230. n minus 1 into minus 3, send minus 5 that side, it becomes minus 230 plus 5, which is minus 225. Divide both sides by minus 3, n minus 1 is equal to minus 225 divided by minus 3, minus and minus get cancelled, 3 ones are 7s are and 1 remains 5s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 75, hence n is equal to 75 plus 1, which is 76. Once we get the value of n, then we will find what is the sum of the given terms, that is sum of 76 terms. As 76 is equal to 76 by 2, first term plus the last term. So this becomes 76 by, this is 76 by 2, 5 by minus 3, minus and minus get cancelled, 3 ones are, 3 sevens are 21, 1 remains, this is 15, 5s are 15. So n minus 1 equal to 75, hence n is equal to 75 plus 1, which is 76. Once you get n is equal to 76, now we will find what is the sum of 76 terms. As 76 is equal to 76 by 2 into first term plus the last term. So that is 76 by 2 is 38 into minus 235. On multiplication we get minus 8930. This is the answer. Third main. Here few terms are given and we have to find the terms that are asked. Given a equal to 5, d is equal to 3 and an equal to 50. N and Sn are asked. So we will find n with the help of an. So a plus n minus 1 into d equal to an. A is 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 3 equal to 50. So send 5 that side. N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 45. N minus 1 is equal to 45 by 3. 3 ones are 15s are. Send 1 that side. N is equal to 15 plus 1, which is 16. Now we have got the number of terms is equal to 16. Let's figure out what is the sum of 16 terms. S16 is equal to 16 by 2, first term plus last term. That is first term is 5 and the last term is 50. So 2 ones are 8s are 8 into 55, which is 440 is the answer. Next, given a equal to 7 and 13th term is 35, he is asking for d and sum of 13 terms. So a equal to 7, a13 is equal to 35 by using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this becomes a plus 12d equal to 35. Let me mark this as equation 1. Now S13 he is asking. So what I'll do, I'll put the value of a here and get the value of d. So what happens? 7 plus 12d equal to 35. 12d equal to 35 minus 7, which is 28. D equal to 28 divided by 12. This goes by 4. 4 3s are 7s are. So D is equal to 7 by 3. And he is asking for S13. So S13 is what? 13 by 2. First term plus last term. That is 7 plus 35. 13 by 2. 7 plus 35 is what? 42. 2 ones are 21s are. So 13 into 21 is the answer, which comes as 273. Plus 11d equal to 37. Put the value of d over here. So a plus 11 into 3 equal to 37. A equal to 37. Send 11 into 3, 33 that side. We get 37 minus 33 is 4. So A we got as 4. Now what we need to find? S12. Yeah, we need to find S12. So S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into the first term is 4 and the last term is 37. So 12, 2 ones are 6 are. So 6 into 41, which is 246. Sum of 12 terms S12 is 246. This means A plus 2D equal to 15. Now S10 is equal to 125. Let me mark this equation as 1. S10 is equal to 125. Using the formula Sn equal to n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D, I'll write this S10 as 10 by 2 2A plus 9D equal to 125. So 10 by 2 is 5. 2, A value we don't know and D also we don't know. Just we'll write the equation in terms of A and D and then solve for equation 1 and 2. So 2A plus 9D equal to 125. I'll send 5 this side. So this becomes divided by 5, which is 5 ones are 25 are. So the equation 2 is 2A plus 9D equal to 25. Let me mark this as 2. Now what we will do, we will solve 1 and 2 by using simultaneous linear equations. Let's do, let's equate for A. So multiply the given equation 1 by 2, then we get 2A plus 4D equal to 30 and subtract. What we are doing, we are multiplying equation 1 by 2 and we are subtracting so that A is eliminated and we get the other variable D. So 9 minus 4 is 5D equal to minus 5, which we get dividing both sides by 5, D is equal to minus 1. Now what he is asking, we got D, he is asking for A10. A10 is A plus 9D. Which is, what is A? We still don't know what is A. So let's put the equation of the value of D in 1 and get the value of A. So A minus 2 is equal to 13. Sorry, A minus 2 equal to 15 from equation 1. So A is equal to 15 plus 2, that is 17. So A10 will be 17 minus 9, which is 8. This is the answer. Is 75. So what is S9? 9 by 2. 2A plus 9 minus 1, that is 8D equal to 75. Now 2A plus 8D, I'll send 9 and 2 that side. This becomes 75 into 2 by 9. This 3s are 25s are. So 2A plus, we know the value of D. So let's substitute. 8 into 5 is 40 equal to 50 by 3. Send 20. I can divide this before sending 40 that side. I can divide it by 2. What we will get? A plus 20 equal to 25 by 3. Now send m is 3. So this becomes 25 by 3 minus 60. 25 minus 60 by 3, which is minus 35 by 3. We got the value of A. Now let's find A9. A9 is A plus 8D. So this will be A is minus 35 by 3 and D is 5. So plus 8 into 5. So this is minus 35 by 3 plus 40. Again take LCM. This becomes minus 35 plus 120 by 3. Minus 35 plus 120 is 85 by 3. This is the required answer. That is the 9th term. Question 6. A equal to 2 and D is 8. Sn is 90. We need to find what is n and what is nth term. Here we'll write the formula for Sn, that is n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 90. We know what is A and what is D. So let's put the value of A and D. So n by 2 is equal to 2 into 2, 4 plus n minus 1 into D is 8 is equal to 90. Let's simplify this. N by 2, 4 plus 8n minus 4 is equal to 90. So n by 2 So that is minus 8. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. 8n minus 4 equal to 90. Now I can see that 4 is common throughout. Let me divide the whole equation by 4. Dividing by 4. What we get? N by 2. 2n minus 1 is equal to, I'll send this to that side. So that was 90 into 2. And when by dividing by 4, this becomes 45. So 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which we need to solve to get the value of n. Now, when you multiply, you have to get 2 into minus 45, which is 90, minus 90. And when you add, you have to get minus 1. So what are the numbers? Minus 10 and plus 9 are the numbers. So let me factorize the given equation. 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. After factorizing, splitting the middle terms, this becomes 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. So n is, let me take 2n common here, n minus 5, and the next two terms, 9 is common, n minus 5 equal to 0. So 2n minus 2n plus 9 and n minus 5 equal to 0. This implies, see 2n plus 1, 2n plus 9, n will be minus 9 by 2, which is not possible. N cannot be a fraction and n cannot be a negative, so n equal to 5. So we got the value of 5, we got the value of n, so we'll find the value of an. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 5, so a plus 4d. Put the value of a as 2 and d as 8. So what it is? A is 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into 8. This, using the Bodman's rule, first we need to do the multiplication. 4 8s are 32 plus 2 is 34. 34 is the answer. That is the nth term. Question 7th. Here a equal to 8, an is 62. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. Okay. So a is what? 8 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. Now n minus 1 is n to d is equal to 62 minus 8, which is 54. Let this be equation 1. Then Sn is given as 210. So let me write that. Sn is equal to 210. N by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 210. From equation 1, we know that n minus 1 into d is 54. So let me write the whole thing there. N by 2. 2, what is a? A is 8 plus 54 is equal to 210. So n by 2, 2 into 8 is 16. 16 plus 54 is 64, 70 equal to 210. 0 and 0 get cancelled. 7 ones are, 3s are. So n equal to 6. We got the value of n as 6. Put the value of n in equation 1. We'll get the value of n is equal to 4. That is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. D is given as 2. We'll write this as the 2. So from here, a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4, or a plus 2n equal to 6. Okay. Or I can also say a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Let me write all the possibilities here so that I can use whatever I want in the next step. So Sn is equal to minus 14, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to minus 14. Here n minus 1 into d, which was this one. Okay, so from here what do we have? N minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4 minus a. I'll just put the value of that. Hence, what our given thing simplifies as n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 4 minus a is equal to minus 14. We are doing this just to simplify the given equations. So this becomes a plus 4 equal to minus 14, or a plus 4 is equal to minus 28 by n, or a equal to minus 28 by n minus 4. So from equation 1 and 2, so here we have a is equal to 6 minus 2n, and here we have a is equal to minus 28 by n minus 4. Let's equate those two. Let me take a different color so that it's not confusing to you. Okay, so what we have, 6 minus 2n is equal to minus 28 by n minus 4. So take 6 minus 2n equal to minus 20, take 4 that side, it becomes 6 plus 4, that is 10, is equal to minus 28 by n taking that side, this, and also dividing throughout by 2, 5 minus n, 5n minus n square is equal to minus 14, or take minus 14 that side, it becomes plus 14 is equal to 0. Now we have an equation, that is n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. When we multiply, we have to get 14. When we add, we have to get minus 5. So what are the two terms? Minus 7 and plus 2. So n minus 7 and here n plus 2. So n equal to 7 or n is equal to minus 2. Negative, n cannot be negative, hence n is equal to 7. We found the value of n. We need the value of a. So what is a? A is 6 minus 2n. So put the value of n over there in the required. Okay, so what is a? A is 6 minus 2n. N is 7, so 6 minus 14, which is minus 8. This is the n is equal to 8. And sum of terms, that is Sn, is equal to 192. He is asking for D. So Sn is what? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D equal to 192. In this, what all we have? We have a and we have n. So 8 by 2, 2 into 3 is 6, plus 8 minus 1 is 7 into D is equal to 192. 2 ones are 4s are. We can divide both sides by 4. So this becomes 6 plus 7D is equal to 4 4s are 16, 32 remains, so 8s are. So 7D equal to 48 minus 6. D is equal to 48 minus 6 is 42. So 7, D equal to 42 divided by 7, which is 6. Therefore, we got the value of D as 6. Question 10th. Given the last term is 28. What is last term? An. An is equal to 28. That is a plus n minus 1 into D equal to 28. Okay. Total 9 terms. So n is 9. So it will be a plus 8d is equal to 28. Let me write this as equation 1. Now S is 144, that is Sn is equal to 144. What's the formula? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or here the last term is given. I'll use the formula n by 2 a plus the last term is equal to 144. So n by 2, we don't know what is a, but the last term is 28 is equal to 144. The number of terms was 9. So let me write this as 9. A plus 28 is equal to 144 into 2 divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9, 5 remains. So 6 are 54, 16 into 2. A plus 28 is equal to 32. A equal to 32 minus 28, which is 4. Here the value of A is 4. Next question. How many terms of AP must be taken so that sum should be 636? A is 9, D is second term minus first term, that is 17 minus 9 is 8, and sum of n terms Sn is equal to 636. And he is asking for number of terms. N is question mark. So we'll use the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is Sn. Put the given values. N by 2, a is 9 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? 8 is equal to 636. So n by 2, let me send 2 that side. So n 18 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 636 into 2. Or I can have n into 18 minus 8 is 10. So 10 plus 8n equal to 636 into 2. I can cancel the given equation by 2. So this becomes n 5 plus 4n is equal to 636. Okay. So 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Now we have to split the middle terms so that if we add we have to get 5 and if we multiply we have to get minus 636 into 4. So what are the factors? On factorization we got this as minus 53 plus 53 and 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. On factorization we get 4n plus 53 into n 4n plus 53 n minus 12 equal to 0. So n is equal to 12. Hence the number of terms are 12. So 12 terms have to be taken to get the sum as 636 in the given. So we'll use the formula n by 2 a plus an is equal to 400. N we don't know. First term is 5 and the last term is 45 equal to 400. So n by 2, 5 plus 45 is 50 equal to 400. 0, 0 goes, 5 ones are 8s are. So n equal to 8 into 2, this is plus n minus 1 into d. That is 45 equal to a is given as 5 plus n we got 16, 15d. So 15d is equal to 45 minus 5, that is 40. So d equal to 40 by 15, which is 8 by 3. So this is the 2. And d is equal to 7. And 22nd term, that is a22 is equal to 149. And what is asked? S22 is asked. Okay. So we will make use of Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. But we don't know what is a. So we need to find a. So how do we do? We'll make use of this. A plus 21d equal to 149. A equal to 149 minus 21 into 7. So that is 149 minus 147, which is 2. So we got the first term as 2 and we need to find what? The Sn. So here 22 by 2 a plus l, that is 2 plus 149. This becomes 22 by 2 is 11 into 151. When we multiply, we get 11 into 151 is 1661. This is the required answer. Question 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an EP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So he is asking for S51. This is question mark. Then whose second term, that is A2 is equal to 14, which is nothing but A plus D. And A3 is equal to 18, which is A plus 2D. Now if I subtract this, what we will get? The A gets eliminated. Minus 4 is equal to minus D or D equal to 4. Okay, now he is asking for S51, which is 51 by 2, 2A plus n minus 1, that is 50 into d. We have to find what is a so that we can substitute here. So from this first equation, we have a2 is equal to a plus d, that is 14 equal to a plus 4, therefore a is equal to 10. Let's substitute that. This is 51 by 2, 2 into a, that is 20, plus d is 4, so 50 into 4 is 200. 51 by 2 into 220, cancel this, you'll get 110. 51 into 110 is 5610. So this is the required answer. So we have completed 8 questions of exercise 5.3. The next questions will be covered in the next video. Till then, have a good day.